What's going on, you guys? My name is Hartley, and in this video I'm going to walk you through how you can go out and find free legal advice. I'm going to give you everything you need to know. Here we go. Alright, you guys, so the number one easiest way to get free legal advice is to use a company called GoodLawyer. Now, they're a Canadian-based company and it's super simple. You go to their website, goodlawyer.ca, you click on book an advice session, book a contract review, whatever you are trying to do. If you need other services, they have plenty of other services as well. You basically go through the website, you book your session, you book your meeting, send in any documents that are required. A lawyer will call you up at a scheduled time that you set in here, and then you can basically go through with your legal advice. Now, when we look at pricing, obviously they have lots of different options here, and they're basically smaller sessions start at $25 for a contract review. Now that's per page, or an advice session here is $39. Now, when you click on advice session and you scroll down, you can kind of see what you get with it. And so for $39, you get a 15-minute phone call. Now I know what you're thinking, Zach, you said this was free legal advice, and it completely is. When you use the link in the description and you check out with your appointment, you will get $50 in free legal services. That means that $50 is going to cover the entire $39 bill for your professional legal advice for 15 minutes, or you can get 2 pages of your contract reviewed by a lawyer completely free. You can also use it as a discount towards any of the other fees on here. So if you wanted to incorporate, instead of $540, it would be $490. If you needed a legal health check, it'd only be $49. And so when you use the link in the description below, you get $50 in free services to GoodLawyer. You can book a call for tomorrow. They will call you up and you will speak to a real professional lawyer that is specialized in the topic that you want to talk about. So if you're interested in that, check out goodlawyer.ca, use the discount code in the link in this description here, and it will save you $50, and it will get you a free 15-minute consultation with a lawyer that specifically specializes in what you are trying to talk about. Okay, now I've got a PowerPoint to finish off the rest of this. Okay, so here's the GoodLawyer page. This is what the discount code looks like. When you sign up, you will get $50 in free services, so you can book a free 15-minute advice session, 2 pages of your contract reviewed for free, or $50 off any of your other services. Check out the link. All right, now the second way to get free legal advice is to call a firm and ask for a consultation about your issue. Now, if you get the front desk, ask for a consultation and be as broad as possible. Say it's a family dispute, a business dispute, whatever it is, and they'll call up the next lawyer in line who will book half an hour or an hour in their calendar to sit down with you and say, hey, what's going on? How can we help? And they will not only give you a price on it, but they will also be able to answer some of your quick questions. So if you only need 10 or 15 minutes of a conversation, this is a great strategy that you can use to figure out what you need to do next or what your next steps are. Now, newer lawyers and smaller firms are more likely to give you the time. If you call a big firm or if you call a big name lawyer, he probably won't take your call. Now, if you get through the consultation and you still don't have everything that you need, I have heard of several people that have saved immense amounts of money by drafting their own documents and just having lawyers review them. That way you get the sign off, you know everything's legit, but you can go out and find draft contracts and put together what you need and then have it reviewed by a lawyer for a much, much cheaper cost than it would be for them to actually draft those contracts or draft that paperwork. Now, the third option here is local free services. So if you just typed in Calgary free legal services, this is the screenshot that comes up. And right here, you can see Calgary legal guidance. You can actually go there to wherever you are. If you're in Edmonton, Vancouver, if you're in New York, wherever it is, there is somewhere that will have some type of system set up to offer free legal guidance. Every major city has it, and it is a resource that is available to you. There may be wait times, there may be long lines. It might not be the best service, but it is an option. Now, in Calgary, they actually do a really good job. They used to hold legal clinics where you could go down and meet with lawyers, but because of COVID and everything going on, they've actually changed it to a phone number. So if you live in Calgary, you're based in Calgary, you can call this number and actually ask for some free legal help. They will usually help you out, and most major cities are doing something similar to this as well. Next, there are some fantastic online resources available. Avo is a website that has over 10,000 question and answers that you can search through to figure out what the answer is to your question. If you can't find it on there, there's several other resources. Calgary Legal Guidance has an entire website and resource dedicated to answering questions and figuring out what the law means, and Queen's University Library probably has the most in-depth resources when it comes to figuring out what the law is and how it works. I have linked all 3 of those down below in the description to this video as well. Now, I do want to give you one resource, and this is actually my personal and business lawyer. His name is Jason Wang. He is not free, and do not call him to milk him for a free consultation. That is not what this is about. I am giving you his contact information in case you need to actually start a business. You have a major dispute that you know you're going to need legal services for. I highly recommend Jason. He is the best in the industry, and I've been working with him for over 3 years now. He has done phenomenal work for me, and I personally vouch for him and personally recommend for him. Jason is the guy that you call when you need a real lawyer and you know that you are going to hire a lawyer. You do not call him for free advice or a free consultation. He works at Borden Laudner Gervais, BLG. It's actually Canada's largest legal firm, and he's been a lawyer there for I think 8 or 10 years. He does an amazing job, and he is a real lawyer. Do not call him looking for free advice. Now, in summary, if you're trying to find some free legal advice, start with GoodLawyer. Get the link down below, get $50 and book a call for tomorrow. You get 15 minutes free with a lawyer, and trust me, they will usually go longer with you. I am a customer of theirs, and I've never had a 15-minute phone call on their website. Secondly, do your own research. This is just my advice. If you have a different opinion, please share it in the comments. Be nice about it, but do your own research. Not all of these links may work for you over time. And lastly, I do offer a free stock market trading course. If you guys are interested in learning how to take control of your finances and learning how to trade the markets, definitely check that out. But otherwise, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.